Hello everyone, and welcome to this introduction video on how to set up your mAIVehicle policy. Before we start, make sure you have an active Kfleet subscription account. Once your account is ready, you can log in using your registered email and password. I already have an account, so I'll log in now. After clicking the login button, you'll see that the dashboard opens successfully. The first thing we need to do is add a vehicle. If you don't have any vehicles added yet, go to the Vehicle section and click on Add New Vehicle. You'll see a Vehicle Details form. All fields marked with a red star are mandatory. Fill in all the required details carefully, such as fuel type, capacity, plate number, CSV, CMV, and VIN number, and then click on Add Vehicle. For demonstration purposes, I've already added some vehicles, and as you can see here, all my vehicle details are displayed clearly. Once your vehicles are added, the next step is to connect your device to a vehicle. To do this, go to the Device Vehicle Connection section and click on Add New. You'll see a form where you can select your device, driver, and vehicle. For example, I'll select the device Relis, the driver Rohit, and the vehicle Kia. Once selected, click Submit. Your combination is now complete. The device and vehicle are successfully connected. You can also edit or delete these connections at any time. Next, let's move on to Vehicle Graphs, one of the most powerful tools in mAIVehicle. This section gives the admin a visual understanding of vehicle performance and usage. The first graph displays truckload distribution, showing how different vehicles carry different types of loads. Simply select your vehicle to see what type of load it carries. The next graph is mileage tracking, which shows how many miles each vehicle has covered within a selected date range. For example, I can select the Kia and view its monthly mileage breakdown. Another critical feature is the ELD chart. This is essential for compliance and performance monitoring. The ELD chart shows when the driver turned the engine on, when they started driving, when they were off duty, and when they were in sleeper berth. For example, SP stands for sleeper berth, and OFF means the driver turned off the engine. You can select a vehicle and choose a date range to view the corresponding ELD data. Next is fuel consumption analysis. This report shows how much fuel each vehicle consumes monthly, allowing you to compare usage from January to December. Following that, we have the vehicle running status, which categorizes vehicles as active, inactive, or out of service, giving you a clear snapshot of fleet performance. Another important feature is IFTA, which stands for International Fuel Tax Agreement. Based on U.S. government regulations, this section allows you to view and export jurisdiction-wise fuel tax data. You can select a vehicle, choose the date range, and export the fuel tax report in CSV format. Moving on, we have the DVIR, or Driver Vehicle Inspection Report. Once your hardware is connected to the admin panel, this section will display reports submitted by drivers whenever they identify an issue with their vehicle. This helps maintain proactive vehicle maintenance and safety compliance. Next, you'll find the Fuel Brand section. Here you can add your preferred or priority fuel brands along with their logos. For instance, I've already added brands like Gulf, Kotzico, and Biofuel. This allows drivers to easily locate nearby fuel stations, offering the preferred brand when they encounter low fuel during a trip. Finally, we have the Fuel Report section, which provides detailed insights into refueling activity. Here you can see the total gallons filled, fuel consumption per vehicle, plate numbers, and driver names. You can also edit, delete, or review individual refueling entries directly from this section. That's all for this tutorial. You've now learned how to set up vehicles, connect devices, monitor fuel consumption, track mileage, and analyze reports using mAIVehicle. Thank you for watching this introduction video.